Okay, let's start. It's Ielts speaking part 2. Describe a time when you were stuck in a traffic jam. Total past.
Traffic jams are now a common thing nowadays because as in the population is on the rise and we do lack urban planning as well. So these are the main reasons due to which traffic jams are now on the rise. Moreover, they can lead to fatigue and depression, which can cause some serious health problems. So over here, I would like to talk about my experience when I was supposed to travel from Islamabad to Lahore for the marriage to attend the marriage ceremony of my friend. Me and my friend were traveling from Islamabad to Lahore. We planned it in a very well mannered, and we took half day and we left Islamabad early. Everything was going good, but when we reached Kalar Kahar, there's the point where there are many steep slopes over there. So we came to know that van got toppled over there, due to which there were some minor injuries. People got minor injuries. Luckily, there were no fatalities. So over there were long queues, and rescue teams were rescuing the people from the area. There were a big rigging equipment which was deployed over there. So due to which there was traffic jam. It was sunny. It was like daytime. It was sunny, so we couldn't go outside. We just waited in the van, and but it got over after half an hour, and we again started our journey. But the main traffic jam which we encountered was when we came close to the motorway tool plaza. Over there were so many long queues of the cars, and due to which we almost stayed for around 3 hours in the traffic jam. So it was very depressing. Me and my friend went for a stroll, and we strolled down the road. But again, as we were bored, we started watching movies.
All right, that's fantastic, excellent. Over your language skill is very good. You spoke fluently with good accent, and you're using a variety of words, which is really good. So I would say keep it up and be familiar with all the topics. You're bound to get very good bench score in speaking. And in all modules as well. Okay, let's move on. Are traffic jams common in your city?
Yes. With the passing time, traffic jams have become a common thing in my cities. And if I talk about my country, there are big cities like Karachi, Lahore, and there are so much traffic jams over there. The main reason I believe is that we lack urban planning, and the population is definitely on the rise.
What can be done to improve traffic conditions in cities?
Government can do a lot of things. Mainly, it can definitely improve the urban planning. It can improve the quality of roads. Can make good roads and bigger roads, which can help in or avoid traffic jams. And government should also prioritize people. Should educate people to prioritize the local transport, so that.
All right, the minor fluency issues for speaking part 3, so try to overcome those. Otherwise, it's very good. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.